What is going on TikTok and YouTube, guys? Right, guys, I'm actually jamming in Peter actually this week this year. So the week commencing the 16th of February, no, sorry, the week commencing the 19th of February, I'm actually delivering a crash course for GCSE maths for 3 days. So today's just been day one. So today's actually Wednesday, the 21st of February 2023, okay, at the time of recording this. And I want to say, guys, that I absolutely smashed today, and it's been a fantastic and such an amazing day today. Obviously, I wish I could have actually filmed it for YouTube and for TikTok, but I was just so gassed and so happy with how it went actually. Yeah. So today, we managed to cover the whole of the numbers content and the algebra content in the GCSE 9 to 1 maths higher and foundation curriculum. Okay, so I was actually so mind blown and just so overwhelmed and so happy and just so blessed with the fact that I was actually asked actually by a school to like deliver a crash course. Now, a few points actually mentioned, guys, actually, obviously, today I'm just so happy, actually, I feel actually so positive, and my energy is like quite high today, so I wanted, to make like a little video, just have to chat to you guys, and obviously to keep you obviously up to date, and keep in the loop, actually, with how I'm getting on, actually, it's just been an amazing first day actually, and I'm so obviously looking forward to it tomorrow and Friday actually, and I can't wait to obviously make like another video to update you with how tomorrow and Friday go, but yeah, I'm just so happy, guys. I'm so blessed, guys. I'm so happy. It's been such a good day today. I thought, you know what? I'll get the camera out and record me just obviously chatting actually. I'll probably be like rambling a bit. But yeah, so like, I think it was a good day today because I managed to like focus the year 11 class actually here and say, you know what? Okay, so this is what we're doing actually, guys, here. So we managed to cover like, like fraction, decimal percentages, like solving equations, solving linear inequalities, solving quadratics, factorizing quadratics, the quadratic formula for the higher tier, completing the square, straight line graphs, okay, and many more topics here, guys, which I can't even remember because I'm pretty knackered now after like a long day. But guys, it's been such a good day today. I'm so blessed actually, and I'm just actually mind blown at the fact that like I got nominated and I was actually asked to like deliver a crash course, a 3-day course, guys. A 3-day course, which I just cannot believe actually. Like, it's so mind-blowing and mind-boggling that I can actually teach GCSE maths curriculum, okay, in the space of like a week. Obviously, I'm gonna have to be careful actually because obviously it's not the whole content, and I'm covering the whole content in 3 days, hence why it's called a GCSE Maths Masterclass Crash Course that I'm delivering, but we're covering the fundamentals. So remember, guys, for your upcoming exams, guys, or upcoming GCSE exams, okay, 55% of your paper is number and algebra, hence why I focus my energy on that today. Tomorrow we will look at areas of 2D shapes, primitive like 2D shapes, shapes, angles, angles and parallel lines, congruency, similar triangles, similar shapes, volume, scale factor, area scale factor, and length scale factor, and many more actually topics here, many more questions. Okay, so guys, I'll obviously I'll obviously keep you guys here in the loop actually and let you know how I'm getting on, guys. But I'm just so gassed, guys, and I thought, you know what, I'll make like a video today because I genuinely felt happy today, and the first time in a while, because my mental health has just been obviously a bit difficult here, like recently, and I've actually been like struggling with my mental health here recently. But today it just got me so gassed, guys, and it got me so pumped for some of these exams. Okay, if anybody is looking for a private maths tutor, then please get in touch with me here. So it's abzw65@gmail.com. I'll put it in the description. Okay, I'm more than happy to offer you one-to-one lesson. Now, it might not be like a crash course that I can offer, but I can try and condense, okay, the curriculum to potentially a 3 to 4 week course for you to cover all the papers and all the content. Okay, so let me know, if you're looking for like a private tutor in the near future. Okay, I'll be more than happy to do it. Obviously, it's going to be a bit of like pressure for me, and now that I actually said that, but I'll be willing to obviously give it a go. Okay, but thank you so much, guys, for the support, guys. It's been absolutely nuts. And I will let you know how I get on actually tomorrow actually. So I'll put like a little actually post to be on my community post. But guys, I'm just so happy and so gassed today. Thought I'd make a video. Okay, today obviously went really well actually. Hopefully tomorrow and Friday actually will go equally well. Okay, but this is just a little reminder, guys, yeah, that to focus your energy on number and algebra for GCSE maths, okay? Obviously, for A-level maths, yeah, obviously focus your energy, yeah, obviously more on calculus and the algebra, yeah, and trig, yeah, and like polar coordinates, yeah, and all those other things, yeah. But polar coordinates, sorry, is A-level for the maths, yeah, but like, yeah, sorry, parametric, yeah, and stuff like that, actually, okay? But hopefully that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment your topic request. And let me know, yeah, if you're interested in me delivering a potential crash course, online course, okay, for GCSE maths. Okay, the course would probably last, realistically, to be fair to you, for a 4-week online period, but I would try to condense everything and cover as much as I can actually, yeah, prior to your exam. Okay, so if you're interested, hit me up, guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments below and send me an email. Okay, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, bye for now. Take care. All the best. Peace.